Okay, we're going out of Dunedin on a sunset cruise. It's called ParrotDise, and it's my birthday.
It has it right here. How about Aruba?
Maybe Aruba. There's some over the water.
Don't you guys fly to Aruba?
A little bit. Oh, you look beautiful. And you look handsome.
Happy birthday.
Thanks. One of my favorite songs of all time. The Moon Dance. One room a little silly.
All right, babe. Where's your next vacation?
You're taking me to the islands. Maybe St. Thomas or St. Kitts or St. Bart.
Well, out of what city? Miami? Probably.
A stopover. That's where Jared always goes, right?
He flies Delta. Ours probably stops over in Puerto Rico.
Oh, here it is.
French bar. Hide and go drink.
Oh yeah, I got the beers and the babes.
Right now, they're going across the bow right now. Really easy for here in the hotel now.
Since I started working at Bad Monkey, they're like, oh,
I don't have no clue where he's at.
good job. pepper.
I guess, no. There's
I feel like I'm bringing wallpaper back.
Happy birthday, baby. Another birthday on the water.
Then I'll be invited to their RVs.
I'm taking you home tonight.
Military or like motorcycle group right now.
I'd say on the sound, there's, well, I guess.
Tommy said when we get back to land, we get to play a game. No, I think we did use what we played.
Right, over there. Girl still okay? Good. But yeah, there's little water bungalows that I want to check out. Took 25 years to get the other wallpaper out of the bathroom. I'm like, why don't we just keep it a clean slate?
The problem with wallpaper in a bathroom is like you have to get particular wallpaper because of all. Blockhouse.
This one right here.
Looks like our honey hole is out of honey, so we're going to turn around and head back up the tank and see if we can pick up something there.